Become an influencer. You can make money on Instagram by becoming an influencer and promoting products and services related to your niche. You can earn money through sponsored posts, affiliate sales, or by charging for shoutouts. Sell products or services. You can also sell products or services directly through Instagram. You can create a shop on Instagram to showcase and sell your products or use stories and IGTV to promote services. Create an online course. You can use Instagram to promote an online course you have created. Use videos and posts to share snippets of the course and link to the course website in your bio. Affiliate marketing. You can join an affiliate program and share product links in your bio or on posts. When someone clicks the link and buys the product, you get a commission. Run ads. Instagram ads are a great way to get more exposure to your content and products. You can use Instagram ads to promote your brand and products, increase sales, and gain followers.